Hello everyone. How you can speed up a video in CapCut. Since nowadays CapCut has been a very popular editing app lately, and most people, especially TikTokers, has been using it to edit it. So you will learn how to speed up your video in CapCut. So in today's video I'm going to show you can do all that by using CapCut, and the steps are quite actually simple. Simply start by opening your CapCut. Now that your CapCut is open, you can see that we have our recent videos we once worked on. So let's simply start by opening new project. And now that the new project is open, you can see that we have been given the option to select the video you would like to edit. So simply select the one you like. And now as you can see your video has been opened in the proper tools for editing. So now this is where we are going to speed up our video. So to do that, simply come and then click on the editing button. And now as you can see you have been presented with even more tools to work with. So simply come on this second button which says speed. And now as you can see you have been presented or given two tools to select from. So simply come and then click on normal. And now as you can see you have been given the options of the rate you wish your video to move on. So for us let's even try ×2. And now as you can see the speed of the video went fast twice than before. And now let's try 5. And now as you can see it's now faster 5 times than before. So let's even try slowing it down to 0.1. And now as you can it's even more slower. So from now on you can speed up your video however you want. And if you wanted, you would go back and then get it back to normal. So that was it for today. Thanks for watching, and if you are new, please make sure you subscribe.